You know, in all kinds of scientific beliefs that are held as valid are proven invalid later on. There's all kinds of stuff. I mean, throughout history, you just look at science, you know. And it's difficult to avoid. Remember, I lived with a woman, Lisi, and she is brilliant. I tend to do that, but in any case, she's a very good scientist and just incredibly in touch with so many things. Like I say, you know, when we walk through the forest, she'll tell me everything you can eat, what you can't eat, what stuff does, etc. You know, or under the water in the ocean, you know, we go diving together and stuff. She got me into skiing. I didn't ski. Anyway, so I digress. When you get old, you know, it's just nostalgia stuff. But in any case, she was telling me how she was doing some research. She's doing a paper, and it's a long time ago, right, when this was relatively new. She's bouncing at this article that was written, a scientific paper that was written that's speaking about cholesterol causes heart attacks. And she says, okay, it's about where did the source come from? You know, how did they know this conclusion that cholesterol causes heart attacks? So she went to the source. They have to, you know, give the sources of their information, and it says, oh, cholesterol causes heart attacks there, and so went to the source, and she went to 5 sources till she got back to the original paper that these were bouncing off of, and it did not say cholesterol causes heart attack. So they were all basically assuming, you know, and lying. Say the original paper was saying there seems to be a relationship between high cholesterol and heart attacks. It never said cholesterol causes heart attacks, you see? You know, and then we jumped right to that cholesterol is bad, and then they found good cholesterol. Oh shoot, okay. Well, some good cholesterol in the back, and it goes on like that, right? See? And I grew up I grew up in the mecca of new shit, right? Berkeley, San Francisco. I mean, throughout the 60s, the 70s, you know, in Silicon Valley, you know, et cetera. So it's like new shit. This is just what happens there. You know, on all kinds of levels, right? New breakthroughs, stuff like that, right? See? And I've seen so many fads come and go. See? And people say, oh no, you got to eat this, you got to do this, you got to live like that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I know. And yesterday it was this, that, and the other thing, you know. See, so some common sense and like I said, you know, it kind of irritates Laura when she'll come up with, you know, oh, this is true. She's read this article, or this science is saying this, and I think about it and I go, nah. Nah. I said, I'm not going to believe that just because. It does not make sense to me. It doesn't sound reasonable. No. I could be proven wrong. I'm open to being proven wrong, but no, I'm just not going to jump on that. Say just because people are saying it. And you think about it. You know, like I used to say about the guys in the oh, screw. What's that kind of eating?
Seaweed. And
yeah. The Japanese.
Macrobiotic or something?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but I thought, no, that can't be it.
I'm trying to
You got
remember
microbiotic
what it is you
and
must have
macrobiotic
said
and
to me. Not probiotic.
No. No, see, it's it's like anyway, it's a particularly harsh way, you know, a lot of seaweed and rice and shit like that, and they're always purifying, which is they're always, you know, suffering and getting in disease and illness and not feeling good and blah blah blah, but they call that purifying. You know, eventually it'll all go away. And I said, but you look like shit, and the thing is here, you've been doing this for quite a while, and you're still not pure. You know, because you're still purifying, and you look like shit, and more importantly, your kids do too. You see? So I think you're wrong about this. Because I look at these kids over here eating hamburgers and milkshakes, and their cheeks are rosy, and they seem healthy and alive, and you look like you're right next to death. Okay, so, I don't know if this is a healthy diet, but what you're doing is not. Okay? And you're taking on another culture's belief system too, and that's very stupid and dangerous. Say, this is Japanese. Japanese do that, and Japanese grow up on shit. You did not. And now you're inserting this into your body. It's kind of like, or the Indian stuff or whatever. It's like, yeah, but they grow up on that stuff. You didn't. It's like when you feed milk to African kids who haven't had milk since they were weaned. It might kill them. You understand? They get diarrhea. It's because they can't do it. They don't have the enzyme anymore, right? See, so in any case, maybe it's okay for these guys that live in that little village in Japan, but it's not you. Anyway, I just say, you got to balance. You got to, think about it a little bit, not just follow beliefs blindly.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.